Alright, let's see if you can hear me. So you can still hear me, I hope. I hope this microphone is working okay. We're coming into Buckhorn. And on the right is Lower Buckhorn. On my left will be Upper Buckhorn, of course. Actually, that's where I've got my place, is on Upper Buckhorn, up on the left here. But about maybe 6 or 7 miles down from here. So this is a little ride out to Burleigh Falls today. It's about 10 minutes off to the right here. It's a beautiful day, a little bit windy, but yeah, it's gorgeous. Might not be real good for the microphone, but we'll see. I'm giving it a shot anyway. Giving it a shot. Wow, the DJI Pocket 2 seems to be working real good. Looks really stable. It's got me front and center, no problem. I just hope the mic is okay. And the Insta360 is working fine. We'll see how the image stabilization holds. But for now, everything's good. Let's hope I have enough battery on the 360 camera to make it all the way out to Burleigh Falls. It's only about 8 or 9 minutes. And that should be okay. I know I'm getting an awful lot of wind. So anyway, here we are, going to Burleigh Falls. It's exactly 1 month away from my 71st birthday. Yeah, I'll be 71 on July the 15th. Yeah, even I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I made it this far. You know, I got my aches and pains, but hey, I'm still riding a motorcycle, so life could be worse. Yeah, so this is living up in the Kawarthas. Just trying to enjoy the summer as much as I can. Just moving along at 80. That's 80 kilometers, by the way, not 80 miles per hour. I'm only riding a 750. It's a 750 Honda Shadow. I used to ride the bigger bikes, the 1500s, 1600s. But, well, yeah. With age comes a little bit of growing up, I guess. So I decided to scale down. Whew, I'm really getting buffeted here. All right, we're coming into Burleigh Falls. I'm gonna take a little detour here and go down Old Burleigh Road. It goes right down by the, you know, they call it a falls, but it's not really a falls. It's just some rapids. So this is Burleigh Falls coming at you, folks. There's a lock here. It's on the Trent Severn Waterway. There's a nice hotel here on the left. It used to be closed for several years, but they opened it up a couple of years ago. Although today there doesn't seem to be anybody there. I just want to make sure this thing is recording. Yep. Yep. Seems like everything is as it should be. So this is Old Burleigh Road. Just thought I'd take a little detour. About 6 or 7 years ago, I was looking at buying a house here, and it was a pretty good price. And I have no idea why I didn't buy it, but I didn't, and I should have. We're coming up to it here in a minute. Now this is the house I was going to buy. Right over here. This one here. Could have bought this place for 130 grand. 130 grand. Man, oh man, that was 6 years ago, and I really screwed up. I should have bought that house. It's probably worth 800,000 or 900,000 now, maybe more. All right, I'm gonna take a break and going to Lakefield. So over here on the right, so we're in Lakefield now, and here on the right hand side is what Lakefield is so famous for. That's the Lakefield College. It's a private school, and I think it's only middle school, but you know what? The tuition is around $65,000 to $100,000 a year. Yeah, if you can believe that. So anyway, this is where Prince Andrew came to school when he was a kid. Yeah, amazing. So, but anyway, Lakefield is a pretty nice little town. In fact, I'd love to have a house here, maybe live here. Yeah, it's a really a beautiful little town. It's touristy, but it's got some charm, you know. So we'll ride through town here and keep my fingers crossed so it doesn't rain. Hopefully I've got enough battery life left in the 360 camera to ride through the downtown section. Cannabis. I guess they're selling cannabis everywhere now. Weed. I never touch it. Can't stand the way it smells, actually. Kind of makes me nauseous. Town's pretty quiet today. On a weekend, yeah, totally different. Pretty busy right here. Holy smokes. Pretty busy right here, that's for sure. That pretty much does it for Lakefield. High school on the left here. And after this little bit, I'm going to make a right, and I'm just hoping that the rain holds off. It'll be a mad dash back home. Looks like it'll be all right. Can't believe my 360 camera is still working. Oh, I'm feeling raindrops.